Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the world of unique rides, adventure vehicles, and the future of living on wheels. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our community of explorers, travelers, and dreamers who believe that home doesn't need four walls, it just needs wheels and the open road. Today, we're talking about one of the smartest and most exciting RV choices for 2026, the fifth wheel RV tiny camper house. At first glance, it might just look like another RV, but the more you explore what it offers, the more it becomes clear why it's one of the best options for anyone who wants comfort, flexibility, and affordability all in one package. So, let's break it down. The 2026 fifth wheel RV tiny camper house is more than just a camper, it's a fully equipped mobile home that gives you the freedom to travel without giving up the feeling of having a real house. Unlike traditional motorhomes, fifth wheels are designed to be towed by a pickup truck, which makes them both powerful and flexible. This design gives you the ability to unhitch and use your vehicle separately while still having your home parked wherever you want. For travelers, adventurers, and even full-time nomads, that freedom is priceless. But what makes the 2026 fifth wheel stand out is its balance between size and convenience. Compared to larger RVs, it's more compact, easier to tow, and more fuel efficient because you only power the truck, not a huge motorhome engine. Yet, despite its smaller footprint, the interior is surprisingly spacious. The clever use of design, multi-functional furniture, and open layouts makes it feel like a home rather than just a camper. Inside, you'll typically find everything you need. A cozy living space, a kitchen with modern appliances, a comfortable bathroom, and even sleeping areas that can fit a couple or a small family. The 2026 models are particularly innovative because they focus on smart living. Think energy-efficient lighting, solar power integration, better insulation, and sustainable materials that reduce environmental impact while also saving money on energy costs. Now let's talk about affordability, because for many people, this is the #1 factor when choosing an RV. Compared to traditional houses or even larger RVs, the 2026 fifth wheel tiny camper house is an incredible value. You're essentially getting a mobile home at a fraction of the cost of buying property or investing in a massive motorhome. Plus, maintenance is easier, and with fewer moving parts than a drivable RV, the cost of keeping it in good condition stays low. For budget-conscious families, retirees, or solo travelers, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Another big advantage is flexibility. The fifth wheel tiny camper house isn't just for vacations. It can be used as a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or even as a temporary home if you're in transition. With the rising trend of remote work, many people are choosing to live in RVs full-time, and the fifth wheel design is perfect for this lifestyle. You get the mobility to move from one place to another, explore different states or countries, and still enjoy the comfort of a stable home environment. And let's not forget about style. The 2026 models aren't just functional, they're designed with a modern aesthetic that makes them feel luxurious. Sleek lines, high-quality finishes, and clever storage solutions make the space not only practical but also beautiful. When you step inside, it doesn't feel like you're camping. It feels like you've walked into a carefully designed tiny home. Of course, one of the best things about owning a fifth wheel is the sense of community. RV living is more than just traveling, it's about connecting with like-minded people who share the same passion for freedom and adventure. Whether you're staying at a campsite, a national park, or boondocking off-grid, you'll always find people who understand the lifestyle and are ready to share stories, tips, and experiences. So, when you add it all up, freedom, comfort, affordability, sustainability, and style, it becomes clear why the 2026 fifth wheel RV tiny camper house is one of the best choices you can make. It gives you everything you need in a home, but with wheels that can take you anywhere your heart desires. Whether you're chasing sunsets, working remotely, or looking for a simpler, more affordable lifestyle, the fifth wheel offers the perfect balance of practicality and adventure. That's why more and more people are turning to fifth wheel RVs in 2026. It's not just a camper, and it's not just a house, it's a lifestyle choice that opens the door to freedom, exploration, and unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 fifth wheel RV tiny camper house and why it's the best choice, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who dreams of hitting the road in style. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, the road is home.